Hey everyone, today we're going to install some wheel covers for, in this case, the 19-inch wheels on your Model Y. Right now we're offering two options. By the time this goes to air we'll probably have some other options as well. But we have this gloss black with the white surround, which is very cool. And then we have this satin black finish as well. So I'll show you how to fit them real quick. Obviously super easy, they essentially just snap on. Alright, just interrupting the regular programming to mention that something I forgot in that main video. In each packet, additionally with the gloves, the center caps, the actual covers themselves, there'll be some pieces of foam, and these are meant to go around just the edge here. So honestly, we've not used them on our car. I think if you drive in fairly aggressive places where you may have grit or salt on the road and stuff, you may want to do that. But the foam just goes around here. It protects the bead on your factory wheel from getting any kind of abrasion over time from the wheel. Depending on which cover you get, you'll either get some shorter strips, which are about, I don't know, 6 inches long, and they just go where the clips are on the wheel, or like I'm showing you here, you get a longer piece that just goes around the entire perimeter. So I'm just going to quickly apply this. It's not a precise art, so it doesn't take long at all. Because I'm left-handed, I have to go anti-clockwise, but just kind of getting it, somewhere roughly in the middle here. Obviously this will compress when you apply the cover to the wheel anyway. Alright, as we get to the end, depending if I've stretched it or whatever, there may be a little extra left over, just give it a pinch, tear that off, and there you go. So it just applies a nice little foam edge around the edge of the wheel cover before putting it onto your Model Y or Model 3. You'll also get a pair of gloves, and in the gloves will be the center caps for the wheels as well. So if you're wondering where they are, that's where they live. That protects them during transit. So let me just lower this one down for a second. I'm going to show you the back of this. So you'll see there's no metal clips where it clips around your existing wheel, so it's not going to scratch anything. And then you just have obviously this retaining ring in the middle, which is important to hold the wheel on. So before we do anything, I need to get this cover out that we already have in here. We do sell these as well. Okay, spudger to the rescue. And then to install these, all you have to do is line up with the air stem, and then we're going to start with putting pressure in the middle, like so, and then just kind of work your way around the wheel until it's all snapped on. And then for the logo, looks like this. We have a adhesive pad as well, so we're just going to peel that off. As always, when any of these VHB, very high bond adhesive pads are involved, don't take your car to a car wash, don't expose it to extreme weather conditions or temperatures for 24 hours just to allow it to bond. And ideally apply it anything between 50 and 80 Fahrenheit, which is about 14 to 26 or something in Celsius. Don't check me on that. Alright, and there you go. So that's what the white and gloss black cover looks like. Alright, so to remove it, I put the gloves on. You just need to grab it and put it back. So I'm going to start up here. It's pretty difficult to get off, I tell you. There we go. Get started. I'll show you. There's two. Let me grab this camera real quick. So where I'm grabbing, if you can see this, is kind of here. That's where the clip is as well, that clips around the rim. So if you kind of grab that and sort of flex it outwards slightly. That helps release the grip. Okay. And there you go. So if I just show you on the reverse, so you'll see the clips are here. Let me just make sure you get this on camera. Those are what grip around the rims. So if you kind of pull this back as you're releasing it, it comes off easier. And then very quickly, the satin black, same thing. I'm just going to line up with the air valve, start in the middle, give it a shove, and then just push on all the spokes to make sure it's engaged. One other thing to mention, this is kind of a pro and a con. It does protect every part of your wheel underneath here, but of course this is now exposed. So we'll sell these individually as well, so if you do have an encounter with a curb, then you just need to quickly just snap on and snap off the wheel and you'll be good to go again. Let's take the gloves off to peel this. Alright, just place this on the centre, of course. Not so easy with gloves. Take the gloves off when you're doing that. Doesn't matter about the orientation, of course, because as you probably know, wheels turn. And there you go. So that's what the satin black looks like. Alright. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.